Jordan, I received your question here. They give you the equation, and they want you, for a projectile, they want you to find out when it hits the ground was part B that you asked about. Well, S represents the height, and the height when it hits the ground is 0. So you want to solve this equation here. First thing I do is multiply everything by -1, which changes all the signs. I like for A to be positive. So that's the value of A, B, and C. And here's the quadratic formula, and you plug it in here. You need to be real careful, here when you're substituting in B, it's going to be minus -50, which actually comes out positive. You have -50 squared minus 4AC over twice day. So I put that into the calculator, and I come up with this. And then you take the square root. You got plus or minus, so you need to figure out each of these. We're talking about time. They're not interested in the negative answer and just a positive answer. When I looked on the computer at what you had there, I noticed you were off by a factor of 10. So you may just have your, maybe you got a decimal somewhere in the wrong place. Maybe you divided by 0.54 instead of 5.4. I don't know. Hope this helps.